kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nil no wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanye, and I'm Ekelonu. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know how we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're here to give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's hear it for Rosemary. That's right. All right, so thanks a lot, Rosemary, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway request. So I asked Rosemary to describe herself for me, and she said that she's accomplished a lot in her life, and one thing that she also wants is to find true love. So I thought of the perfect Igbo name for her. Ifunanya. Come on, say that with me. Ifunanya. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Ifunanya, another variation of that word is ihonanya. So instead of an F sound, it's an H sound, depending on which dialect of Igbo you speak, but they both have the same translation, all right? So ifunanya or ihonanya. I think I've met and seen more ifunanyas more than ihonanyas, but both are still, you know, the name, okay? So we're gonna translate that name together. So ifo or iho both mean to see, right? And anya is your eyes. That's what, like, the direct translation of anya, right? So you put those two together and you say, and you get ifunanya or ihonanya, and that means to see with your eyes, but there's kind of like a deeper, almost kind of like symbolic meaning with that. It's like to see someone as they are, or to really almost kind of like to gaze upon them with some like a level of understanding and basically love, right? So ihonanya or ifunanya basically means love, right? So whenever someone says ifunanya, it's the literal translation of love, okay? So the name is basically just kind of like, I see you, I see who you are, I like the things about you, and I see you with my eyes. I see what you are, and I love you, right? That's kind of the way to think about the way the breakdown of the word works out. So ifunanya or ihonanya means love. So ifunanya or ihonanya's names give them the power to be romantic, charming, and humble. Tag and share this video with all the ifunanyas and ihonanyas that you know. Thanks. All right, so what do you think? Ifunanya or ihonanya, aka love? What do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Thanks a lot. Every comment goes a really long way to supporting this YouTube channel. All the comments and the likes really help the YouTube algorithm, so please continue doing that, and I really appreciate all of your engagement thus far. So if you like this Igbo Name of the Day series, please like the video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video, and like I said, leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it. If you would like your very own Igbo name, please hit up my Instagram. It's in the description below. Hit up my Instagram DM and I'll give you an Igbo name based off of your characteristics. And if you are Igbo, please let me know as well too if you already have your Igbo name. If you already have an Igbo name, and I'll feature your Igbo name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. So I appreciate all your support of this YouTube channel, all your likes, comments, and subscriptions and everything. They're all free and they go a really long way. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Take care.